Testing, 1 2 3. What's going on, Double R gang? We're here with Buzzball. This is Buzzball, everybody. For everybody that's been seeing him around on my media, this is Buzzball. All the talk is about to be done. What's up, guys? So we're gonna have to be doing a voiceover now. I didn't realize that my mic was on low battery, so that sucks. Instead of wanting to trash the whole video, I'm just gonna be narrating. So basically, we're talking about how I wanted to test my fluffy guy Buzzball to see if we're going to keep him in the camp or to give somebody the opportunity to have him. We're showing the mail that you get in from Animal Genetics if you order the test with them. We're doing it via buccal swabs, which are these right here. You have to order a sample test kit if that's the way you're doing it. They also do by blood, but we're showing buccal swabs. All right, we're back. Buzzball had found a way to take my mic away, so we had to fix that. So these buccal swabs on the packaging come with a little thing you have to fill out. It says name, animal name, what type of animal is it, canine, feline, or other, the dates on the test. And I believe it says, what is that, the order number. And that's the one they want to match to where you ordered the test online. Remember, first pay for the test online, then order the sample test kit. That's how it's done nowadays. So if you haven't ordered with them yet, so you won't get confused, I'll break it down right quick. You're going to want to register, make an account, and then you're going to want to add your animal on there, a pet. We do French bulldog, so you click on French bulldog, and they have different choices. They have DNA color, and they have DNA color plus disorders, and that's what we're doing. All right, guys, now we're on to the fun part. Let's start opening these buccal tests and testing our little Frenchie. This is Buzzball, fluffy as hell. If I can even open the pathogen, let's skip forward. All right, after I finally managed to open them up, I wanted to do a little ASMR for y'all, but hey, sadly my microphone cut off. You can see me doing that right there. Here we're just taking a little break, showing them off to y'all, to the camera. His light blue eyes, nice big face, good ears, thick bone, great structure, and he's fluffy as hell, don't forget that. Now here we actually skip to the part where we actually get to swabbing. I like to do both sides for a good amount of seconds, probably 20 seconds each side. Our camera fell, but we got it back up. It was a little tricky, so I tried to work with them. And remember, you can't give your puppies anything 30 minutes to an hour before. We don't want anything getting mixed in with their samples. So make sure you don't feed them for an hour before. That's what we always do. We want to do both sides for like 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure you see the buccal swab is wet. After that, you're going to have to let it dry. And there's 2 samples. Make sure you do both of them. Let them dry first. Make sure the air dry. Don't put them anywhere. Don't contaminate. And then put it back in the little pocket where they came in. Now we're going to get to the other one. So at this point in time, our mic started working again. So we're just going to let it play off as we do the second swab on him. So we're going to let y'all hear the audio on that. Or you can also do it by blood. Next time I get one of those, I'll explain it and I'll do it on camera. He's a little hyper right now. We're letting it fast forward here while we get him a second time. Make sure to get both sides again. Good. Real good. Let it air dry after you're done. You're going to be a little hesitant, especially if you got a hyperactive pup. But the important part is do it in the right way so you can get the results. And then you should be good to repackage it, tape up the end, send it back through mail, including the printed sheet that you paid for online, which is for us is going to be the DNA color 6-panel health test through Animal Genetics. So, they normally advertise that they get back to you in 3 to 5 days. Usually is around that time, unless something's going on. Sometimes there's delays, but once we send it back, as soon as they get it, should be 3 to 5 days. we can go online and check our whole sheet to see exactly what this man carries and what he's made of, and health, everything. We'll show him one last time before we get out of here. Look at him. This is Buzzball. Let's get up close to him. Light blue eyes. He's lilac for sure. Fluffy. I don't want to say what else he is before we get him tested, but we're gonna find out. Told you. His parents carried some great DNA and they had some good structure. All right, so we're going to do a quick little closure before we end the video. Everybody that's seen me DNA slash health test Buzzball here, like I said, we know he's a lilac and tan merle fluffy. I told y'all his dad was koi pink, koi husky pink, full fluffy. As that's why he's fluffy. Mom was a full fluffy. She was a Isabella. So we're gonna be finding out what he carries. Yeah, so this is Rico with our Frenchies. We're just gonna finish taping it up, stick it back in a little baggie, get a little card like these to ship out, print out his form online where we purchased it, send it back. 3 to 5 business days, we should be hearing back online about his, his full genetics. So I appreciate everybody that tuned in. We got more videos coming soon. We're doing Q&As. We're gonna be going live doing Q&As and all that. So I appreciate everything.